Hello everyone, this is Zoe at WeShipFloors.com. Guess what? We got it. It finally arrived. We've got some new French oak style floors that are going to be very clean with less knots. By popular demand, we have many color tones available. So go ahead and let's get started with the Oyster. It's going to be on our website and it's on there now as SPC031X. And I'm going to move about this section. This is just one box racked out for the purpose of the video. I wanted to go ahead and give everyone a sneak peek on this, and you can go ahead and order some samples. I've got a lot of natural light over to my left. And then over to my right, I do have a full spectrum photography light. Now let's zone in on some of these beautiful colors and features. And I will tell you in the video, the darker areas are showing up darker than they really are. But there is a beautiful cream color, a little touch of a vanilla, a little bit of some different tones of grays. This was named Oyster because it has those very soft color tones that is found and associated with the oyster shell, or at least a lot of the ones I've seen. This is a 30 mil wear layer product. It is commercial rated. Has the EVA pad already attached on the back. 7 inches wide and a super long 5 foot long. It has these square edges, so this is not a bevel edge design. It has embossed graining for slip resistance. Go ahead and visit us, WeShipFloors.com. We look forward to sharing some free samples with you. Give us a call or go ahead and submit your request directly through our website right on the page for this product. Thank you, everyone. Please comment below what you like about it, and let us know if you'd like to get some samples. Take care now. Bye-bye.